At dawn, the journey of banana juice begins in fertile fields. Freshly cut bananas move seamlessly toward collection.
Quality begins with careful human inspection. Temperature-controlled transport preserves freshness.
The journey continues toward industrial processing. Arrival marks the transition from field to factory. Preparation begins for controlled unloading. The transformation process begins the moment they arrive. The first stage prepares fruit for deep cleaning. Inside these walls, raw harvest becomes refined product.
Surface impurities are washed away under controlled pressure.
Drying prepares the fruit for precise sorting. Advanced sensors classify each fruit with accuracy. Only the best fruit proceeds to production.
Human expertise reinforces machine precision.
Prepared batches move forward in controlled flow. Now, the real transformation begins. Prepared batches move forward in controlled flow.
The peel is removed with speed and precision.
Uniform cuts prepare the fruit for extraction. Grinding transforms fruit into smooth pulp. Pulp flows through sealed systems for hygiene. Controlled volumes ensure consistent production. Scientific precision enhances texture and quality. The mixture is blended into a consistent base.
Temperature control prepares the pulp for refinement. Now, the essence of banana begins to emerge.
Solid waste is removed, leaving pure liquid behind.
Filtration refines the texture to smooth consistency. Rapid cooling preserves flavor and quality.
Stored in sterile tanks, the juice awaits final refinement.
Balanced ingredients create the signature taste. Homogenization perfects texture and uniformity.
Now refined, the juice moves toward its final form. Every container is purified before contact.
Final staging prepares the juice for exact filling. Precision filling ensures consistency in every bottle. Automation aligns every detail at high speed. Each bottle is sealed to preserve freshness. Packaging secures products for transport.
The final stage of handling begins with automation.
Automation ensures accuracy in bulk handling. Each load is verified for exact measurement. Samples are taken to ensure consistent quality.
Inside the lab, science takes control.
Texture is measured to maintain perfect consistency. Safety is verified at the microscopic level. Packaging strength is tested under pressure. Packaging strength is tested under pressure.
Only approved batches move forward. With quality assured, the product continues its journey. The finished product enters large-scale storage.
Each pallet is secured for safe transport. Heavy loads move efficiently across the facility. Dispatch preparation ensures timely delivery.
Products are loaded for distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce banana juice from start to finish.
Sealed and ready for the journey ahead.